It's risky, but the rewards are high. In this video, I'm sharing the secret to high frequency profitable scalping on the Forex market. What I need you to do first is like, comment, and subscribe right now because that's going to give you good luck in your trading journey. Let's understand what is high frequency scalping. It's fast movements that is injected into the Forex market on a lower time frame from the central banks, from the hedge funds, and from the market makers. This token, it doesn't really gonna get you anywhere because we need to make that money. Let's get on our traders on the chart.
You guys see, I changed my outfit just to spice it up. I'm lying the next day. I lost the recording, guys, and I had to record it for you guys. But with that being said, guys, we're on the chart, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what is high profitable frequency scalping. You understand first what time frames to use. With that, we are using the 50-minute, 5-minute, and all the way down, as you can see, like I'm using 15, 12, 7, 5, 3, 4, whatever you want to call, all the way till 1. And with that being said, the first thing you need to understand is how to actually spot these levels on or high frequency, how we use it. Now understand that on the 50-minute time frame as a scalper, right, you want to be on the 50-minute time frame when you're starting, and all you want to do is actually spot out the highs and lows of perhaps the market for the day. For example, at the top right here, this will be where sellers are, at the same time buyers are. Okay, that's very important to us. So what we do is when we see something like that, we spot it off with a trend line like that, and we label that as buy stop liquidities, and at the bottom we label it there sell stop liquidities. Now the reason we name it as that, I want you guys to go more deep into this. Okay, stick with me. The market came with buyers up, so what are they expecting it? The market to continue buying. At the same time, there are sellers trying to sell the market lower. Okay, so there's buyers trying to buy market higher, and his traders trying to sell the market lower. Now what you need to understand is that these stop losses would be like this. A seller would have a stop like that, and a buyer would have a stop like this. Now what the market's going to do is going to try to catch both of it and then move in its direction. Now what we need to do is we need to look for that opportunity to get involved when the market get out. When the market basically raids the stop losses. So how this works is that when the market is at the resistance area, we're not going to look for sells immediately. First, we want the market to go above, and when it comes back below, right, on a lower time frame, we're going to get that entry to sell off lower, back towards here, but not just here, but lower. So we expect the market to go a little bit lower. Why a little bit lower? I explained to you. There are buyers buying the market higher, and there's people trying to sell the market lower. So they're going to do is catch the orders, right, of stop losses of the buyers, and then catch the orders for sellers, which is sell stops, and then catch them higher, and then you see the market starts going higher. Okay, guys, it's very much just to catch the stop losses of the average trader. Now watch this out. You can see market goes higher, fails to go higher. All right, watch it again. Catch the orders, and if you go on a low time frame, you will see market breaks back above and retests, right? Catching more orders. Can look at there. Catch more orders. There's orders right here. Stops. Okay, and watch above, and then we're gonna take out the orders over there. So this happens all the time, guys. You'll see market back. There's again orders here, right? There's orders at the bottom here. The market's going to try to take out the orders again. Patience. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. There are sellers here. So the market's going to try to take out the sellers and rally. For an example, today, I actually took this trade. Beautiful trade. I've given it out in the free group. And if you want to join my free group, guys, understand you can join my free group. The link's in my description, and if you want to sign up with the broker I'm using, it's in my description. And if you want to trade with the funded accounts that I'm using. It's all in my description. So let's check this out over here, right? A simple scenario like today. We had a very important resistance here when market sold off, right? And we had buyers over here. Can you see that? So now what I'm going to do is I want you to spot this out for me, okay? Let's do this step by step together. So what you can see is that we have sellers on top, and we have buyers at the bottom. But at the same time, there's sellers here, but at the same time, there are buyers who want to push the market higher. So let's do this. There's buy stops at the top, and there's orders at the bottom for sellers, right? At the bottom, there's buyers here, right, with sell stops, but sellers with the sell stops, but buyers here on top. So the market will do this. When we see the market like over here, we project that when the market comes on top here, it should take out orders on top, with stop losses on top, and then grab some buy stops, grab some orders in, at the same time taking out the stop losses, but grabbing some orders of buyers as well. So it gets in the buyers, it takes out the sellers, gets in the buyers, and then we rally lower. Okay, so let's watch this. Patient, you're waiting. Let's not worry about this. You're just catching some orders of the sellers, thinking it's gonna go lower, boom, 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 and thinking it's gonna go higher, catching them, confusing them. But I patiently waited, right? Right over here. That was a sign of catching orders. Okay, once the market closes back below there, on a lower time frame, you need to understand there's gonna be a trade like that. Go down to the 5 minute, like the 2 minute, 5 minute, right? You understand there will be some sort of trades here, okay, to be taken. Patiently wait. Please patiently wait. When I saw this happen, I wasn't scared. Oh, I missed a trade. No, 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 no. There's something very important to what we use to get involved with the market, and that is where we get involved, is with the retest over here. Because now sellers are getting excited. The people who are buying, their stops are out. The people who are selling right here, their stops are taken out. When the market is showing us the entry, which if you want to know how to get involved with that entry, comment down below right now. Teach me the entry, and then I'll teach on the next video the entry. Okay, I'm not going to teach it right now. I'm teaching you guys the overall of the scalping, the high frequency scalping. So I'll teach you the entry if you comment down below right now. Like this video and comment, teach me the entry, and I'll teach you guys the entry. And you can see what happens is the market comes all the way back over here. This is when I'm going to get in for sell. And what I'm going to do is understand at the bottom here is what is at the bottom. There are sellers right here. At the same time, there's buyers here. So we're going to try to fake out, catch some orders of the buyers, catch some orders of the sellers, take in the sellers, act as if they're going to go lower. We're going to take in the buyers, and we're going to take out the stops of the sellers and make the buyers get excited, right? And what happens is the market takes out, boom, the buyers, and then the sellers lose as well. They lost. They can't get in. They're like, oh, the market's buying. The buyers think the market's going up. Yeah, add more. And the market just takes out the buyer stop losses after that. And that's when we get involved, right? We get involved right over here on top. So patiently I waited. Just watch. Patiently we waited. Right over here. You will see. Right over here. Watch. Patiently you wait. There. That's when we get involved. We entered right here. Okay. Our stop loss right above here. Okay. And we take all the way out right here because there's orders to be taken out here, and as well there's orders as well to be taken out here. Right, there's people buying here to go higher, and there's sellers at the bottom. So we target this a little bit lower like that, and that was our target. And I sent this out in the free group as well. Watch. Patience. Patiently. Look at that. I say no more. And again, I sent this out step by step. Let me show you guys. Step by step, I sent this out in the free group and in the paid group. Check over this. In the paid group, right over here, you guys can see this. Watch this. I'll show you guys step by step. Here we have over here. You can see this. I told him we're gonna get a trade in, okay? I told him, look here, we're gonna sell Euro USD. I need you guys to understand we're gonna sell Euro USD. Right over here, you see, I told him we're gonna sell Euro USD, guys. This is the order. That's exactly the trade I said. We're gonna sell down lower, okay? And you watch. Group. I gave it out in the free group as well, so you guys see this step by step. There's the first one. This is the before, and this is the after. Now you ask yourself, is this a profitable? Is this a high frequency profitable scalping? And don't you want to experience this? Now if you want to learn the entries, guys, I need you guys to comment right now, like this video, and subscribe. With that being said, your mentor Shaquille Zamai signing out. Cheers, guys.